Yes, good morning. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, that's great. Okay. Oh, you take a bath very early?
Yes, I
Oh, you
today
cut
I
your hair?
just yes, I cut my hair yesterday.
Wow, you look good with your short hair and with the bangs. And you have dimple.
Yeah,
Wow, a pretty girl. Oh, so you look nice and beautiful with your new haircut. Okay, I like it.
and I think you need to cut your hair like me too.
ah, teacher. Oh, teacher Ann here. Last time it's very long, like this. But then I cut my hair. But I want to make my hair shortened like yours, like this. I need to cut my hair a little bit shorter, like this one.
I know
What?
that, but why you're not cut like me?
Oh, you want because your hair is nice. Teacher Ann's hair is not that nice as yours. Okay, you have a beautiful hair, but teacher doesn't have that beautiful hair. So I want to cut mine too, like this.
Do you know why? Because my mom said that I have a long hair is like so normal, and you need to cut your hair to beautiful more. And I
Oh,
said yes.
ah, yeah. Okay, it's because I can see you before your hair is like this, right? Like,
Yeah.
yeah, but
Yes.
then now I was, oh, new hair. Oh, but you look nice and beautiful with your hair. Oh, I swear. And then the bangs, and then wait, you have dimples. Oh, so how are you today, Leila?
Today I'm good.
Okay, what's the weather in Vietnam?
I think it's like windy and
It's
sunny.
it's windy and sunny. Okay, that's great. Okay, but here it's very sunny. The weather is not really good. It's so hot outside. Okay? Yes. Today we're gonna have the speaking class. Okay, I will ask you some few questions. That's one. Wait, why so many? Wait. Do you know what, Leila? Some of my Vietnamese, no, most of my Vietnamese students really know the music Lemon Tree. Are you familiar with Lemon Tree? I wonder why Lemon Tree is very famous in Vietnam.
No, because do you know that what is the app is Vietnam like the most
Yeah,
is TikTok.
TikTok. Oh,
And
yeah.
they like songs like
Do you have TikTok?
no, a little bit, but I like the YouTube more.
Oh, you love TikTok, but you love TikTok
Yes, a little bit.
a little bit. Okay, one of my students told me that no, most of my students love or know the song Lemon Tree, like I wonder how, I wonder why. Okay, are you familiar with that? Da 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 da
I
da
know that.
da 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 da. You know that?
Yes, I know that.
Oh, so that's teacher and songs. Okay. So thank you so much. Okay, so now let us have here the speaking class. Okay, so 1.3 speaking. Okay, teacher will ask few questions for Leila. Okay, Leila, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so Leila, do you like video games?
Uh, I think I'm really love to play video game because I think it's very fun and I can play with my friends too.
Okay, that's good. Are you oh Do you play video games these days? These days, do you play video games?
No, today I cannot play video game because I need to have some lesson.
Okay, that's good. Then, how much do you, wait. How much time per week do you spend playing them? How much time per week do you spend playing them?
I think it's twice a day.
Okay, it's
And
twice a
and I play every day in a week.
okay. So, uh, are you fan of studying languages in your spare time?
Yes, I think I am a fan of studying language because I know three languages like Vietnamese,
Mm-hmm.
English, and Japanese.
Okay, so that's good. Okay. How often do you meet friends and go out? How
I
often do you meet
think it's
friends and go
every
out?
day, every
Every
day.
day. Okay. Are you fond of going to the cinema with friends?
I think it's not usually, but um, it's like when we have a free time, but we need to have some person is older, and we will go.
Okay. So what movie do you usually like to watch?
I think it's Conan.
What is that all about? Conan? Ah,
Yes,
what is that?
you can search on Google. Conan.
That one?
Wait,
In the message.
okay.
That one?
Yes, like that.
Why do you like Conan? What is story
Because
all about it?
I think it's very like very good and funny. And do you know that in that film we will have a detective and
Detective. It's
somehow
detective, right? Detective Conan?
detective. Yes,
Yes.
Detective Conan and have Sherlock Holmes. Do you know?
No, I don't know. I know Detective Conan, but I don't know much about why Conan becomes detective.
Uh,
Why?
do you know Sherlock Holmes?
Sherlock Holmes?
Yes, inside that it has that person is always Conan is always talk about that person.
Okay. Yeah. I understand. Okay, I understand. Okay. Okay, I understand. Yeah, Conan. Okay. So that's it. So how many friends? Do you have many friends, Layla?
I just have a real friend. Is
Mm-hmm.
her name is Anna. She is same age like me. And do you
Mm-hmm.
know that I study lot of things and she like me, and so we will be best friend because we have like we can study very fast and love study.
Wow, okay. So, wow, that's great. Okay, so this one. Okay, so we have here, I will have to do this. Okay, some parents want to start an activity club that teenagers could go to school after school. Talk together about the different things the club could offer and say which will be the most popular with teenagers. Here is the picture with some ideas to help you. Okay, look at this. Okay, so please choose. Some parents want to start activity that teenagers go after school. So please choose three activity that teenagers could do after school and tell me why you choose that. Three only. Okay, please tell me, okay, what are the three activities that you choose, okay, for teenagers and why? Three only, ha? Three activities.
I think is play musical instrument,
Mm-hmm.
learn art, and watch TV and films.
Okay, watch TV and films.
Film
Okay,
and
what? Number one,
learning
what's number one? What's number one again?
is learning art
Learning arts. Why you choose learning arts?
because I'm a draw very good. Do you want to see my pictures?
Yeah, yeah, you
And
showed me. Where is that?
yes,
Okay, get your
can
arts.
you wait? Can you wait?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Here,
Where
I
you
will
see?
show you. It's like this.
Wow, very nice. You're the one doing that? Oh, my daughter also wants to paint like that. Oh, she loves to paint too. Okay, let me see.
Yes, and this.
Oh, wow, very nice. You love to do painting like that? Wow, it's a nice one.
I just draw two pictures.
Oh, that's
I
very nice.
I have a lot of picture, but I don't know where it's going now.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you are very good in arts. So that's why
Yes,
you choose. Okay. What else aside from arts? What activity do you think that will help teenagers?
and I also like to play musical instruments
Okay, like
like guitar, piano, and blah blah. And
okay,
I
where?
also and I
Yes.
also love to play like violin, but I not study now because I good at.
Ah, okay. So, do you know how to play violin? We have violin in the house.
I just study a little bit and I don't study violin anymore.
We study actually we study violin in the house. We have violin in the house. Okay. Next, the last one. Give me the last one.
Is watching TV or films.
Watching TV. Oh, you love to watch TV always. Okay. Okay. So next one. So you have learning arts, playing musical instruments, and of course, watching TV or films. Okay, that would be good for you. Okay. So we have here a series of, I will show you a pictures and please tell me what you can describe in the picture. Okay. Tell me. Okay, tell me
Mm,
about the picture.
in the pictures, have a boy. A boy is playing computer, and inside the house is lot of things, but he cannot like open the lamp.
Mm-hmm.
And the dog outside want to see some game of the boy is doing, and the
Mm.
dog is wants to go inside, but the boy cannot make the dog go inside because his mom will kill him.
Ah, ha, ha, ha. As you can see, the dog really wants to get inside, but the mom doesn't want her or him or allowed her or him to enter the house. Okay, so that's great. Okay, very good. And then, can you please describe the woman? Okay, can you please describe the woman in the house?
I cannot see the worm.
Okay, dito the woman.
No, that is a boy.
Yeah, a boy or a girl? Oh, it's a boy. It looks like a girl.
I
It's a
think
girl.
so.
Yeah, it's a girl. That's short hair.
No,
Okay, can you
why,
please?
but why in the screen is tail is a boy?
Looks like a boy.
Yes,
Okay,
I will
can you
tell
please
my mom.
describe?
The boy with brown hair, the curly brown hair with a
Mm.
smile on it, and glasses, wearing a gray t-shirt and a black trouser.
Okay, and what else?
And he smiled because uh he see the dog
Mm-hmm.
sad face.
Okay, so but actually the woman looks like a boy in the picture. Okay, but there's a woman bag here. Okay.
But I think
Oh, it's
it's
a
the
boy.
boy.
Yeah, it's a boy. Using laptop smiling on the table a vase and background and a white dog and a small guy. Yeah, it's a boy. Okay, teacher is wrong. Okay, two. Look at number two. What you can see in number two?
It look like teacher.
Oh, number two is
Mm, I think the woman is watch TV and
mm-hmm,
she is lying on her bed with a smile.
with a
Did
smile. And
you see behind her
there is a
um duck?
okay. There's a dog. Again, there's a dog.
And I think she can play guitar too.
Okay, she can play guitar too. Okay, that's great. Okay. So there's a guitar, there's a dog, a puppy dog, and there's a woman is smiling. Do you think the woman is happy? Do you think the woman is happy?
I don't think so.
Okay, why? Why do you think so?
Um, I don't know because
Mm-hmm.
maybe. Can you say again?
Okay, do you think the
What?
woman is happy? Happy.
What is happy?
Happy, not sad. Happy. Smiling, happy.
Happy.
Yes.
This is like happy. Mhm.
Yeah. Do
And
you
I think
yeah?
she is happy because do you see what is she is crying? I think it's about the car, and I think her boyfriend will buy her that car for her.
Oh, how did you know that she has a boyfriend?
I know it because why do you know?
Oh,
Um,
because she's beautiful? She's
yes,
pretty?
she beautiful and she thin. I think she's very rich.
Very rich. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, Layla, I will ask you, what do you want to be in the future? Do you want to be a doctor, nurse, or what do you want to be?
I want to be mm, a pilot
You want to be a pilot. Why? Why do you want to be a pilot?
because I think the pilot is very rich, very
Mm-hmm.
rich.
Okay, it is very, very rich. Why do you think a pilot is very rich? Because
Do you know why? Because the pilot
mm-hmm.
we will drive on a plane, and on the plane that will have many people, and uh, their life
Mm-hmm.
will will go on like it's like the pilot will have that person go to everywhere they want, and but when the pilots do the good job, they will have lots of money.
Mm-hmm. So a pilot has a lot of money, right? A lot of money. Okay.
Yeah.
So like it's a captain of the ship. They have a lot of high salary. Okay. That's very good. Okay. So now, okay. Two small girls are, it's not here. It's different. An old computer with a big screen. The pictures, the description doesn't fit with the pictures, right? There is no small girls. Okay, it's different. Okay, so we have here. So talking and expressing your likes. Okay, I will ask you. Okay, Layla, what is the thing that you like the most? Your likes, things that you like the most.
I think that I like the most is
Mm-hmm.
go out with friends, watch TV, play
Mm-hmm.
video game, um, drawing,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and play piano.
Hey, that is in. Okay. How about the food that you like?
The food I like is pizza, chicken, uh, pizza, chicken, fries, uh, French fries,
Mm-hmm.
um, uh, snack, meat,
Mm-hmm.
fish,
Chicken.
and lots of tea.
Okay. So how about the drinks that you like?
The ring that I like is
Mm.
tea, Coca,
Coca.
Pepsi,
Yeah, it's Coca is Coca-Cola. It's cola.
yes, yes, and 7 Up.
7 Up. Oh, you like 7 Up.
And milk
Okay.
tea too.
Oh, you
Milk
like
tea.
milk tea. You like milk tea. Okay. So how about the things that you dislike, you don't like, dislike?
I don't like that. I don't like to play with some friends, like the person I don't play and I
Mm-hmm.
hate. And I don't want to that I don't want to what I don't want to have a class like martial arts or learning much Vietnamese.
Okay. So you learn math and Vietnamese. Okay. So how about subject? What is the subject that you don't like?
Yeah, of course, it's math and Vietnamese because it's
Okay.
very hard to do it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Very hard. Very hard to do it. Okay. Okay. So let us move to another. Okay. Okay. Move to other topics. So we are done with speaking. Let's have the listening or sharing your thoughts. Okay. Very good, Lila. Okay. You are a very good talker. You talk a lot. Oh, I like the way when you talk. You talk a lot. That's very good of you. Okay, maybe because you're pretty today. Okay, so when will be the start of class? Leila, when will you start? When will be your class starts? I'm sorry. Okay, Leila, when will be your classes starts? September? Hmm? Yeah, it's September. I cannot hear you. Sorry. Okay, September. You will start your class on September.
Yes, of course, but we will meet at on this October because teachers want to meet everyone and we will need to like dance or do something for
Ah,
the first for when we start the class.
oh, okay, that's good. Okay, so we have vocabulary words because we done, okay. We have here the word sleeve, okay. Sleeve is like this, very short, the cover, okay. Drummer, hey, person who play the drum. Seasick, clubby tried, feeling sick or wanting to, oh, vomit. When you are traveling on the boat or ship, you want, oh, I cannot bear it. I want to, I have seasick. Okay. So when you ride a ship or a boat, change each the money that you get back when you have paid for something, giving more money than the amount it costs. Okay, change. Okay, example, oh, I paid 400,000 dong. Okay, and my money is 500,000 dong. So I have changed 100,000 dong. Okay. Next one, skateboarding. The sport or activity of riding on a skateboard. That's skateboarding. Another, we have purse, the small bag made of leather or sport. It's just small bag. Okay, you will put there your coins, your cards. Okay, like that small. Okay. Now, there are 7 questions in this part. You know already what to do with this. Very easy for Leila. Okay, go Leila. Wait me.
Now we are ready to start. Listen carefully. You will hear each recording twice. 1. Which t-shirt does the boy decide to buy?
I'd like to buy a black t-shirt with short sleeves, please. Large size.
I'm afraid the black ones have long sleeves, but we've got short sleeves in the lighter colours. Do you want a round neck or a V-neck?
It must be round neck. Let me think. Okay, I'll take one of the short-sleeved ones. The colour's not so important, really.
Now listen again.
I'd like to buy a black t-shirt with short sleeves, please. Large size.
I'm afraid the black ones have long sleeves, but we've got short sleeves in the lighter colours. Do you want a round neck or a V-neck?
It must be round neck. Let me think. Okay, I'll take one of the short-sleeved ones. The colour's not so important, really.
Two. Who will be on the stage next?
And that was Shark with Joe on piano and Rich on guitar. Lots of music to come, including the Three Biscuits with songs from their new CD. But first, here are Subway. You all know the drummer and guitarist, but singing here with them for the first time is Sarah Ireland, the drummer's sister. Please give her a big welcome.
Now listen again.
And that was Shark with Joe on piano and Rich on guitar. Lots of music to come, including the Three Biscuits with songs from their new CD. But first, here are Subway. You all know the drummer and guitarist, but singing here with them for the first time is Sarah Ireland, the drummer's sister. Please give her a
Teacher,
big welcome.
my internet is not good now.
Oh,
3.
you cannot hear?
What time?
I can hear, but it's not good.
It's not good?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will have to skip listening and we move reading for now. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Wait me, ha. Okay, please tell your mom to fix your reading, I mean, your internet because we cannot have the listening. Na, 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 na. Oh, writing, because I want to see how your writing skills. So this one, you wait me for a minute, just second. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Da, da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Okay, I will share now. Okay, please try to answer this one. Okay, look at the example, ha. My cousin has lent me a very good tent. I have borrowed a very good tent from my cousin. Okay, look at that one. Okay, next one, please answer. Okay, that one. Tuloy lang.
Teachers, I can see
You cannot see?
because yes, because here it have something is black.
Oh, wait me. I will share it again. Okay, that one. Okay, can you see it now? Participants cannot see your applications. You can see it
Yes,
now?
I
Okay,
can see it now.
okay, thank you. Okay, I will give example number one, the answer for number one. Okay, number one is enjoy.
Number one is enjoys. Number two is camping cars. Camping.
Jillian, lako na Jillian. Ah, suso na.
Afternoon.
Okay. So what is the answer for number 1? Okay. Number 2,
Camping,
number 2.
camping costs cheaper than staying in a hotel.
Camping cost, okay, less, cheaper, or you can say is cheaper than staying in a hotel. Yeah, correct. 3.
The campsite we're going to is not too far away from the beach.
Okay, not too far away. Oh, very good, Leila. Okay, campsite we're going to is near, not too far away. The campsite has a swimming pool. What is your answer for number 4?
At the campsite, we at the campsite have a swimming pool.
At the campsite, okay, there
There is.
is a swimming pool. Okay, 5. I asked my friend if he wanted to come camping with us.
I asked my friend, "Do you want to come camping with us?"
Hey, very good, Lila. Great job. Okay, so this one. Indefinite pronouns. So these pronouns, Lila, are used to show unspecified objects or people, whether in plural or in singular. They are used to indicate the entire noun or some of the noun or noun of the noun. They are used when we want to refer to group of nouns without actually specifying who, like anyone. This is indefinite pronoun. So when you say the word indefinite, you are not definite. You don't know if it's a boy or if it is a girl. Few, okay, a few of the members. Nobody was answering when I called them last. Nobody, okay? So we have here some example of indefinite pronoun singular, okay? Then the plural, then both of the singular and plural, okay? So you can read in here, you can check in here, all singular. Another, either, less, little, enough, anybody, anything, everybody, much, each, everything, neither, or neither, somebody, something, nobody, no one, other one, or nothing. They're all singular. When you see plural, we have both, few, fewer, many, others, and several. They are plural indefinite pronouns. Okay, this one. Okay. Both singular, it could be all, any, more, or most, none, such, and some. It could be both singular or plural. So we have here, what do you call as reported speech or, yeah, okay, direct speech. Are you okay? In reported speech, he asked if whether she was okay or not. Okay, this is direct speech. When I say, Layla, are you okay, Layla? And the reported speech will tell, he asked if Layla whether is okay or was not okay. Do you go home, Leela? He asked if whether she went home. Always remember, Leela, when you try to use reported speech, it's become past tense. Past tense. Okay, so here, this one, Leela. Oh, you write in the chat box. Okay, this is the last activity about an email to a friend who has invited you to a party this Saturday afternoon, but you cannot go. What you will say to Alex? How you will apologize to Alex? You explain why you cannot go. Okay, Lila, please read your letter to Alex. You will say, Dear Alex, please forgive me, I cannot go. Okay? Please write a short letter to Alex telling Alex you cannot go. Okay? Leila. Leila. Okay, so I will wait for 3 minutes. Oh, you read this about, oh, you can use another word, or you can use Mena, John, or any, or your friend, or you can use
I'm finished.
Okay, where is it? Oh, so let me see. Oh, dear Alex, sorry because I cannot come. I have something important than your party, but I will give you present. I will give present for you next time. But I will give present for you next time. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, yay. Okay, so Leila, thank you so much for today. God bless. You're doing great work and you speak a lot. You love speaking. Okay. Okay. I hope we can fix the listening skills because it's not working on your internet. Okay. Yeah. I will see you on Tuesday. What time is it on Tuesday? Ah, 8 p.m., right? 8 p.m. on Tuesday. Okay, Leila, 8 p.m. Tuesday. Okay, Leila.
8 p.m. Tuesday. Oh,
Yeah.
but sorry, I have a class. Can we make it on the morning? 8
Morning,
8 morning.
8 a.m. in the morning.
Yes.
Okay, so Tuesday, 8 in the morning. 8 a.m. A.m. morning. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye, Leila.
See you next time.
Yeah, say bye.